I'd just like to take a moment to show how he likes to go to the beach in his socks and sandals.
Stepping on the beach, do-do-do-do. Stepping on the beach, do-do-do-do.
Stepping on the beach, do-do-do-do. Stepping on the beach, do-do-do-do.
It's not a true Jason and Rachel vlog unless we have food. Show them what we got, baby.
We got some
Mediterranean food.
Very excited. This is our new favorite place right now.
Fave. Fave. Is that good, baby? Good? Good choice? It was a good choice. Oh. Ooh, baby.
What?
Ooh, you're looking so sexy. Ooh. You guys can't see. It's mine. It's mine. Don't see. Nussy. Nussy. Nussy.
Oh, baby.
It's mine. Mine.
I got it on your shirt too, I'm sorry.
No, it looks like I got pooped on.
That's what it looks like. Sorry. I kind of need this though, thank you.
Really? Unbelievable. Don't take Rachel to the beach. She'll get sunscreen bird poop on you.
It's not sunscreen, it's tanning.
She's tanning lotion, whatever.
I just want to be tan.
You just want to be tan? Oh, baby.
Can you do my back?
Of course I could do your back. Ooh. You like laying out, baby? It's your favorite thing, huh? If you look very closely, I have 3 chest hairs. Did you see them? It was just a little glimpse.
I'm hungry.
Uh-huh. Hey, I'm starting to grow them in. It takes time. It takes time. Kiss, baby.
Oh my god, you're so far though. You need to reach for me.
Whatever.
You didn't reach for me?
Nope. Wanna go swimming? Not yet?
I want my dinner.
Okay, for examples though, I am literally like the little kid in our relationship. I always want to be doing something, always want to be playing. And then there's just her. I just want to lay out. No, no, let's go play. But I love you.
Reach.
You know what? Whatever.
He just got up and started walking away. Look at that. It's too cold. It's too cold.
Bye.
I turned my back for 1 minute. Get your little toesies poking out. Ew, it's in your belly button.
She wanted to show off her snacks. Baby, what snacks you get?
I got dried watermelon.
Dried watermelon?
You ever heard of that? Is that like a thing?
Yeah, where you guys live, is that like a thing?
Target, and I was like, ooh.
Wait, they probably have Targets.
Yeah, but like, have anybody ever tried it?
Look how gorgeous my boo looks. Look at that. Ooh. Look how gorgeous she is, baby. Flaunt. Flaunt. Ooh. 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 Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go.
Am I any tanner yet, babe?
You need tanner?
Can you tell, do I have a tan line?
You have a big tan line.
Maybe.
Uh-huh. You're looking so good. Baby.
I just want to be tan.
You just want to be tan? Oh, baby.
What's a girl gotta do?
Baby, you get tan. She getting tan. Look at it, baby. You're getting tan. Please, you're gonna beg. You're gonna beg again. Do your little, do the hand motion. How's your beach day, baby?
Good.
So far, so good. We're gonna go take some pictures. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram so you guys can see our pictures. Pose, baby. Ooh, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Ka-chigga. 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 Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys have any cool video ideas you guys want us to do. If you guys want to see anything fun.
The shout out this week goes to Jess_exclusive XX.
Okay, hold on. Thank you for watching Jess_exclusive XX.
Woo! If you want to be shouted out, all you gotta do is send us a screenshot that you follow us on our TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. The plural, both of us. And you might get shouted out.
Bye.